Yeah, look at Uncle. Yeah, tell your fans. Tell your fans. Ife Kilimo. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Come on. Are you okay? Can we take out the time? Okay. Hey guys, good morning. It's the start of a new vlog and welcome back again to my channel. It is the big 5 finally. You guys, Kaito is turning big 5. It's literally turning the big 5 and I'm super excited. So there is my special sister, which is the stationery hub, that I'm going to give a big shout out to in the beginning of this vlog. You know, literally during the times where we're trying to get Kaito to read, be articulate, speak, you know, just a lot of things, this lady came through for me in so many ways. I mean, her books were like, you know, when you read, like for someone who is trying to read, someone who is learning to read, she has the appropriate books for you. I mean, you can just go and buy a storybook off the shelf and be like, okay, it's my son's time to read, or okay, let me teach him how to read and all. But you need to know the appropriate books to buy. You guys, I think a couple of times in my vlogs I showed like the box of, you know, the books, the different things, you know, that we did, and you know, we just helped, you know, to really just, you know, shape the 5-year-old that you're seeing right now, that is so articulate. We're so happy which day, and the piece was so happy which day, jumping. I
was a battle in a junkyard.
Kaito could literally read something that had, what did he even say, Seth?
This is the ant.
Something went to the junkyard. Went to the junkyard, and we're like, what? So you can actually even read and even pronounce junkyard. You know, we're so excited. So just gearing up for the 5-year-old birthday, I know she sent me 25 books. You guys, look at this. Stationery Hub sent me 25 books to actually put in Kaito's party packs. See, I rather would give them a book to read than give them iPad. If you really want an intelligent child, right? I know some things are hereditary, passed down and other things, but if you really want an intelligent child, give them that book to read. Because I'm seeing that, you know, now I'm seeing kids that are advancing to primary schools, and a lot of them are wearing glasses. A lot of them are wearing glasses. We literally sat down in church close to a young boy that from the beginning of service to the end of service, and I'm talking about this boy should be about 4 to 5 years old, from the 3 to 4 years old, from the beginning of the service to the end of the service, they literally gave him phone to watch Spider-Man. I mean, even when Kaima even went to go and chook her head to even see, like, that one now, to even see, what is this one watching? What is this one watching? The way it was like, no, leave me, no. Like, he didn't actually say, no, leave me. It was like, no. And I'm like, wow, this one is even afraid of his fellow mates. We like call Kaima his mate, and yeah, maybe in the same toddler brackets. This one is even afraid of a fellow child like him, right? It just shows you that this one does not have any sort of social interaction apart from sorry, this just shows you that this one does not have any sort of social interaction apart from phone. Like, it doesn't mingle with other children. It's just with phone, screen, and everything. You guys don't know the damage of iPad to your children's brain, to their eyes. No matter how Nigerians want to twist it to say you have to regulate it, you have to find. See, when children are bored, they are creative. When children are bored, they will look for things to puzzle out. They will look for different things to do. They will look for play. Is that play? Like, I mean, our parents tolerated our play. I don't know why we cannot tolerate our children's play and noise. Like, literally, just want to shut them up, give them something so that you can have your time. It's with this journey of motherhood and all that I've realized that you see this thing called parenting. It's not the counting of children. I get 5, I get 2 boys, 2 girls, I get this one. It is the intentionality in raising your children. Is in the sacrifice in raising your children. So you guys see our party pack. This says title is 5. It says Kaito is 5. You guys, Kaito is 5. Unbelievable. And then I have a lot of party pack things. I've shown you guys in the market where I went to. Toothbrush, just a lot of things in our party pack. But yeah, in the market vlog, I'm sure you were able to see. So we're gonna do packing of this party pack today, hopefully. And yeah, I'll carry you guys along.
I've had to open this one.
Because you want to lick it.
But she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up?
Come on, Kaito has to have this Spider-Man bottle. Look, this house. Cha, you don't sabi this thing. Be like cha-cha. You don't sabi this thing. Like this thing now work.
We're gonna have some chocolate.
Did you see this one? Okay, we're gonna have some chocolate.
Wow.
No put chivita, never put drink. Where's your boyfriend? Break in transmission. The chop.
The next day. Persian